In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy a FunderPro account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser. Then from here you need to go up to the search bar and click in FunderPro.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description for you to click. From here you should be doing something like this. And over here you'll need to go over to the right hand corner to log in or register for your account. From here, a new page will pop up, and as you can see here, you have several options right here. You can sign in with your Google ID, you can sign in with Facebook ID, or you can continue with your own personal domain email if you want to do that. You can also continue as guest if you want to do that. From here, you should be doing something like this once you have registered your account. Now you'll need to buy the account so you can start trading. And to do that, you simply need to go up here to start new trading up here. From here, you should be doing something like this. And here you can add a challenge type where you can choose the classic, the daily rewards, or one phrase. You can choose the challenge amount, either 5k, 10k, 25k, 50k, 100k, 150k, or 200k. And down here you will be able to select the platform for you to trade in. And as you can see here, you can either choose Trader Locker, MetaTrader 5, or C Trader. Down here you can also select add-ons like first reward in 7 days, 90 to 10 profit split, swing accounts, or no minimum trading days. Personally, I will always choose no minimum trading days, but that will be up to you. From here you can see the challenge conditions, and you can take a look at this right here. And now it's time for payments. And up here you can add in a coupon code. I'll post a coupon code down in the description and the first comment for you to check out. And then from here you can add your payment method, either cryptocurrency, credit card, Klarna, bank transfer, Skrill, PaySafe, or PayPal. From here you can proceed to payment, or you can also pay with Google Pay down here. Then from here you will have bought your first challenge, and I hope it goes well. Good luck trading.